Welcome back to my channel, everyone, and welcome to anybody that's new. Now, this is the set I'm sharing with you today. I really wanted to show you how I do raw glitter so that it lasts for the 3 weeks that my clients are wearing it. So that was important for me to share this watch me work video with you. Now, this is a hard gel client, and I did remove her color, of course, and I always check for lifting when I do that. And then I applied the primers, and I also applied the base coat. So now I'm just applying my Fusion 2.5 builder and filling in the nails with that. So you'll see me doing 3 of the nails with the builder gel, and then of course I'll be filing and buffing, and then I'll get to the color. Now, this set of nails was not a Valentine's set, but it could be. It's just the colors for Valentine's. So she kind of said at the end, it's kind of like my Valentine's set, but with no hearts or anything. They ended up being really pretty. You'll see that as I do them. So the next nail that I'm filling in with the builder, you'll see that it was a broken nail, so I applied a tip, and of course I shaped it and I buffed it to remove the shine off that tip so the products would adhere as usual. And I applied the primer to her natural nail, and then I applied the base just like I did any of the other nails that already had product on them. And now I'm applying my 2.5 builder, and I'm going to fill in that nail, of course, and then flash cure for about 5 seconds and move on to the next one. So this client prefers her pinkies to be almond shaped and the rest coffin shaped. So I'm just taking my 180 grit zebra file. This is a mini file. Now, I got these from AliExpress, so I will put the link down in the description. I love these files. I've gotten so used to the smaller ones. And the nice thing about them is I'm throwing them away because of COVID, of course. So I don't feel like I'm wasting a full size nail file when I throw them away. And I'm also going to be using a buffer, which I got off AliExpress as well. And I love them. They're nice and tiny, and they serve the purpose for one client, and then I throw them away as well. So I'll put that link down in the description also. So now I'm buffing her nails with a pink little buffing box I was talking about. Now they come in packs of 50 and very inexpensive, as well as the files. They're very inexpensive as well, and they come in packs of 100. So now I'm just showing you, we're picking foil that we're going to be using, and I have so many pinks, so she's going to pick which pink she wants to use with one of the foils. So we're just doing that quickly, and then we'll get started on that color. So she chose the black foil with the roses, and we chose a Madame Glam gel polish called Little J. It's a gorgeous pink, you'll see that, and I will only need 2 coats, so I will be doing a couple of the nails with this color. So the next color I'm using is Madame Glam's Perfect Black. And now the name says it all. It really goes on so nice in one coat coverage. So I'm going to do 4 of the nails in this black, and then I'll be applying some transfer foil gel, and I'll tell you what foil gel I'll be using. Before applying polish to the other 2 nails, I'm going to add my transfer foil gel. Now I'm using Glitter Mix Canada's transfer foil gel, and I'll cure that for 60 seconds, and then I'll apply that black transfer foil with the roses. Now I purchased these floral foils from AliExpress as well. I can put that link down in the description too. So now, of course, I'm just going to rub it down really well, and the Glitter Mix Canada transfer foil gel does work really well at transferring. You just want to make sure you don't miss any of the foil as you're pushing it down, and then once you do, it transfers so nicely. So now when I do a raw glitter nail, the first thing I do is I take a base coat. I'm using Madame Glam's base coat. Now I'm applying a thin layer over all of the nail, and you do not cure it. This is where the trick is. Next, I will grab my Madame Glam No Wipe top coat, and I'll apply it over that base. And like I said, I did not cure the base. I apply them together, and I found this to work the best for applying raw glitter. No nobody loses any of the glitter in the 3 weeks. It just honestly stays on so good this way, whereas if I just applied a top coat or a base coat before, they would lose some of that raw glitter. So I find this is a no fail way of doing it, so I thought I'd share that with you guys. So of course now the base and top coat aren't cured, and I'm just going to sprinkle the raw glitter over it. And of course as I do it, I shake off any extra. And once I'm done sprinkling it all over the nail, I like to push it down on the sides and the end. And on the cuticles, I like to remove any glitter that might be there in case some of that base or top coat happened to get over there. And it just makes for a nice, neat nail once it's cured. So now I'm just going to finish applying the gel polishes to the index finger and the thumb. And of course, again, I'm using little J for Madam Glam for the index. And then the thumb, I will be using the Perfect Black, and I will be doing a raw glitter on that one as well. And for the raw glitter on the thumb, I'll be doing the same process again. I'll be applying the base coat, and I won't cure it. And then I'll grab Madam Glam Snow White top coat and apply that all over the nail thinly like the base coat. And then I'll sprinkle that glitter again and neaten up that nail, and it'll cure for 60 seconds once I have that all done. And if you're concerned about your top coat mixing with your base coat, I always take the top coat and I wipe off the brush before I put it back in the bottle, and then you're not contaminating it with base coat into your top coat. So I'm now taking Madam Glam's matte top coat, velvet matte top coat, and I'm doing the pink nails with that, and then I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. So now I just have the transfer foil nail to do. Now before I apply a top coat to any transfer foil, just file the edges lightly. It just gives the top coat something to adhere to so that it's not chipping for her in the 3 weeks she'll be wearing them. So I'm just using Madam Glam's No Wipe top coat. She didn't want it matted, so we're going to use a shiny top coat on them, and it'll cure for 60 seconds once I have that applied to this nail. And I won't show it in this video, but I will go over that transfer foil nail one more time just to make sure that that transfer foil will stay good for the 3 weeks. Now after a raw glitter nail is cured, I always take a brush and remove any extra, and I will file underneath just to make sure there's no glitter under there that's gonna bother her in any way. So I'll do that, and then on the thumb I will also be doing the same thing, and you'll see me up by the cuticle removing just a tiny bit of glitter that's up a little higher, and I just lightly filed it and it removed it, so it's a nice rounded even nail by the cuticle. And then I'll just, like I said, just take that brush and get off any extra, and then the nail is perfect. Well, I hope this video was helpful in how to apply raw glitter so that it lasts. If you do try this method, let me know how it went for you. I'm sure you guys are gonna love it. I loved how this set turned out. Such a pretty pink and black set, perfect for Valentine's Day or any time of the year. They're just gorgeous. So thanks everybody for watching, and if you could please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, that would be wonderful, and I will see you all in the next one.